How to fix Lemonade insurance app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Are you guys facing issues with Lemonade insurance app? And if it's not working, this is what you do. First step is just head over to your settings, go to your general. On your general, simply head over to iPhone storage. Now search for your Lemonade insurance. So I'll just search for insurance here. Just tap on Lemonade. There we go. Now tap on offload app and then offload the app. Then reinstall it back again. Doing that will clear out the cache memory from your app and that should give you a fresh start. So you can always log in back again and then start using the app. So again, if that does not work, there might be a network related issue. So check for your connection. Just connect to a different internet, try that, or just open up your mobile data. You can also check if there is a VPN related issue. If you're turned on VPN, simply turn it off. And yeah, that's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.